Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So let's look at the post-market report at what happened today and what is the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, HGS Nifty is 40 points down. Dow Jones is 82 points higher. Nasdaq is also considerably higher. So coming to our market, yesterday it has broken the trend line and today it started trading below that, but exactly it is taking support at 15,673. Since 15,700 is a huge support, market will continue to hover around this area. So anything below this, market will try to sustain this 15,673 support levels, and it will continue to trade around the same area. Anything below that, sustain below this, then that should be considered as a bearish sentiment. As of now, heavyweight index like Reliance, HDFC Bank, HDFC, all three are underperforming. ICC Bank again back to 620, 630 area. It has broken the trend line support and closed below that. So all these are like bearish sentiment. So what happened in the market after the Fed meeting is this is the day 15th June. The Fed meeting happened. Sorry, 15th, yeah, 16th June. The Fed meeting happened. After the Fed meeting, market is continuously underperforming. So again, it took an upside close to an all-time high of 15,920, and then again it started falling. So this jitter is continuing since since the fear of tapering the Fed rates is still continuing. So coming to our markets, HDFC Bank, HDFC are continuing to underperform because their loan growth rate is, if you see, normally it should be 20 to 25 percentage by this time, but considerably it has reduced and it is just around 5 to 6 percentage growth. So of course, pandemic has hit, and that is that is the reason we are seeing the lower loan growth rates. But again, this will take some more time because the lockdowns are getting reopened, the infrastructure demand should come, the loan growth rate should go up. So only then we can see this HDFC, HDFC Bank, and HDFC Life to start moving upside, which will lift also the index. So as of now, the market will continue to hover around the same area. So that may continue. Bank Nifty again, it has taken support, but still hovering, continues to fall. So all these are bearish signs. So anything below 15,500 in Bank Nifty and breaking this support level and start getting into 34,000 and below, or breaking 61.8 percentage retracement, then that will be considered as bearish. So all the banking stocks, the negativity continues. So the focus is on again small caps and some mid cap stocks. We see today Naukri was performing very good. It has made almost close to 400 points move today. As you all know, this is an internet-based company, which is uh, which is mainly supporting brands like Naukri and 99 Acres, Jeevan Shati, Zomato, and Policy Bazaar. So all this, out of this, Policy Bazaar and Zomato is ready to file their IPOs. So they are getting ready to come out of their like mother uh, concern and ready to start their own IPOs. So this news again was lifting up the sentiment in the Naukri or InfoEdge shares, and today it rallied more than 400 points. So again, the reversal point as per Harmonic is 5,400, but my target after this is maybe for few. I mean, like for some time it may hover around this area, but the long term view is close to 6,000, 6,200 levels. The target is. So yesterday all the Nifty 80 stocks were performing well today, except Emphasis and Naukri. All other stocks were in red. Metal index, Nifty 80 index was the the one topmost poor performer. FMCG continues to perform well. Nifty Pharma, especially Dr. Reddy today, it was a very good move. The volumes are still continuing, and it will still zoom more. Auto stocks on the uh, auto sales report, it started to zoom today. Tata Motors 1%, and Hero Motoco and Maruti had moved at least more than 1.5% today. So the focus is again on small caps and mid cap stocks as of now. We cannot expect much movement on the index side. Coming back to the FIDA data, FI had sold for 1,045 crores and DA had bought for 880 crores. So coming to FIDA data in depth, FI continues to long 72% in index and 72% in index longs and hedged with index shorts of 52%. So many small cap stocks are performing good, and mid cap stocks are also performing very good at this level. So please focus on mid caps and small cap stocks because there is not much movement is expected, especially on heavyweight index scripts and index. So as of now, we have to switch back from the index to the mid cap and cyclical and small cap stocks. So that's all for today. If you had any queries or comments, please post in the comment sections. And if you like this video, if it is useful for you, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. So thanks guys. Good night. Bye.